collection. And the way it works is, have you ever had a time when you quoted a movie or TV show that you watched and your friends were like, huh? And you're like, oh, come on, you guys didn't see that? Yeah. So you can type, as you'll see, your quote that your friends didn't get because they're not cool like you. You type your quote into our search engine, and within seconds, it'll launch the clip that shows that quote, starting at the quote. So we have a couple of good examples for you guys. So, for example, The Simpsons, there's a great line, a female deer. Can you search that? Where's the...
You guys hear that?
Yeah, wait, where's the...
But how does it work?
So, and let's see.
Is an animal pee going on? Cash library?
Also, we have, let's see.
So I want, does anybody know where this came from?
Yeah, if you put it to your friend, I want to die too.
My blood hurts.
About everything, damn it. Hey, Homer, wait up. I want to die too. You are going, I am going. Me too. Me too.
So,
Here's another one.
here's, yeah, Flanders Scott.
Flanders to God, get off your cloud and save my Todd. Thanks, God.
So, and we also have file settings. So you can choose where are your video files, where are your subtitle files. You can download them from anywhere on the net. If you can find a subtitle file for your video, you're set. And then where's your VLC application, because it launches through VLC. Also, you can choose to pre-roll the search results by a few seconds. And what that does is so that you don't want it, like, say, right at the point at which the quote happens. You want it maybe 10 seconds before, something like that. No, it's okay. Let's go over to our console search. So we didn't have a lot of time to work on the UI. I did the UI while I was like having a fever. So, but we do have a console-based search, which could be integrated into the UI to allow you to choose from multiple results. So instead of just choose the first thing that looks good, you can choose from up to 25 things. So Moe's Tavern is a good one because if you think of all the times that Bart has called Moe's Tavern and Moe picks up and he prank calls Moe, you can get all of those instances with our search, which is pretty powerful. So,
Oh, where's your sense of humor?
Moe's Tavern.
Hello, is Al there?
Al.
Yeah, Al. Last name, Kaholic?
Let me check. Phone call for Al. Alcoholic. Is there an alcoholic here?
yeah. So, you can, yeah, let's do, thank you, come again, because, I mean, the quickie mark, thank you, come again, happens over and over and over in The Simpsons. And so you can find all instances of that.
Thank you. Come again. Oh, this is Homer. How nice to see you in the Redlands. How did you get on my game?
So, also, this doesn't just work for The Simpsons. So you put that and start the configuration for Heroes. So, how many of you watch Heroes? A couple people in the room? All right.
In the past?
Well,
Oh, Jesus.
yeah, so yata is something that one of the hero characters says.
Thank you.
So you can find where all this stuff happens in your movies really quick. And it's pretty powerful. And I mean, you could extend this to say, if you knew where, if you had like all of, former President Bush's speeches and all the subtitle files that went through that, you could type in a sentence and it could find where each word appears in each one of his addresses and do like a video remix of that so that you could have President Bush say whatever you wanted. And it would be like a video mashup, which would be pretty cool. And I mean, you could also extend it to have serious applications like in a courtroom, if you have like the transcript for the entire court proceedings, the people who deal with that don't have to look it up on that transcript. They can just type in something someone said and they can see the court records of it. So that's another use. I mean, it has a lot of different uses because searching speech in video is something that's relatively new and hasn't been pursued very much. And we just think it's cool fun. So,
Right.
thank you very much.
Should we ask for a user quote?
Oh
Just to
yeah,
show
does
the
anyone
words
want to
generally?
try
Like,
out
it's
something
not-
from The
we
Simpsons?
gamed it.
Doing Futurama?
We do have Futurama, but actually we don't have the subtitle files just yet.
My retirement Greece.
Huh?
Retirement Greece. Oh yeah.
Oh shit. That one was good.
My retirement cruise?
Yeah, when he tries to go by, he collect. All right, Homer collects grease to make money.
Oh, here it
This
is.
one.
Yeah, it's the first
So
result.
let's see if this one works.
Lisa, it's terrible. Okay, this dance has gone Titanic.
What happened?
Well, the boys and girls are like afraid of each other. They're acting
So,
like a bunch of
One
Kids?
small glitch that
Oh,
we
I
have
know.
is that
You wanna go in
sometimes
there with all
the
the
files that
happy
we have
dancing
don't
couple?
show the Simpsons heading or the intro to The Simpsons, and so sometimes the subtitles are a little bit off from the actual show. So if we back it up a little bit, we'll find where that quote happened, which looks like.
Wait, was it after this quote?
No, it's after it gets dumped on
Right,
him. Yeah.
right there.
Huh? Look, it's snowing. The snowflake tastes like fish sticks.
You like fish
Okay.
It's like a hamburger milkshake.
Here comes the grease ball.
Hey, Luigi, bring you kids a free pizza.
Yeah.
Why you have to make it the fun, huh?
He says it's someone there.
That's my grease. It's mine. Give it here.
You're playing in
All right,
Greece?
close it out.
Okay. Well, he says my retirement Greece no in there somewhere. So that's it.
Good
for
job.
Good job, guys.